Oh, this is a quick guide how to make springs any length, any diameter at home yourself, like this or like this or anything else. So you need to buy first of all spring wire I bought it from a local seller, jewelry store basically. This is non-corrosive spring wire, 15 meters, 0.5 wire diameter. So I have a piece of wire just to show how you can easily do that. So I have this Allen key set, star key set, I mean. For my needs, I need this diameter, for example. Just keep in mind that spring will be a little bit larger than this diameter after you will release it. So you will need some kind of clamp like this, and the second one like this, and pliers or something else. So first of all, I'll make a little hook at the end, just to keep it in place, and use this clamp to hold the wire like this. Now bend it to the side and do some twists around the key like this. After that you will need a second clamp just to hold the whole thing like this. And now just tighten it, and you can turn it around the key and you will get a perfect spring. After some turns you can shift them and turn as many as you need, and fast, pretty fast solution. I will show you what you will get. At the end. Simple and not require any specific tools. Okay, that's it. Now release. And you will get a perfect spring. If you need, you can try to squish it. So after you will make your first spring, you can use any of those to make another one. Pretty fast and simple.